What's up guys, today's video is on the top 5 best juicer.
I made this list based in my personal opinion and hours of research and have listed them based on popularity, quality, price, durability, user opinions and more. If you want to see more information in the updated price, you can check out the description below and also make sure subscribe for more reviews. Okay, so let's get started with the video.
Starting at number 5, we have the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer. The compact Magic Bullet blender is a great value for making smoothies, and its miniature counterpart similarly impresses. It's a no-frills machine, but its 400-watt motor and 2-inch feed tube can make short work of most anything. In testing, we got better than expected performance, even with vegetable juices. It was able to handle beets, carrots, ginger, and orange, kale, lemon, cucumber, and apple, and even straight celery for celery juice. It did leave somewhat wet pulp, which means there was some unextracted juice left behind, but the generous 52-ounce pulp bin held everything easily. If you want to get hardcore, you could even squeeze the pulp in a strainer bag to extend the yield. The juice from the Magic Bullet Mini Juicer goes straight into an included 16-ounce cup with a twist-on travel lid, which makes it easy to take on the go. The machine itself is very simple to assemble, use, and take apart for cleaning. All the removable parts can go in the dishwasher. We were also able to wash everything by hand in under 5 minutes, including scrubbing out the filter screen. It doesn't include any extra parts for things like ice cream or baby food, but at this price, the juicer-only machine is still a great value. Moving on, at number 4, we have the Breville Juice Fountain Compact Juicer. Small and affordable, this centrifugal juicer from Breville is a great value pick. It has a 3-inch feed tube that can handle a whole apple, so you'll hardly need to up your fruits and vegetables before juicing. It's also very powerful for its size, able to handle most things without even needing the tamper to push them into the blade. It did a great job with fruits and harder veggies, but it had trouble with leafy greens. The instructions suggest bundling leaves between pieces of firmer produce, but that didn't really help when we tried to juice spinach. The leaves were sucked through the blade quickly, extracting very little juice. The machine is compact on the countertop and looks sleek, with mostly dishwasher-safe parts. However, the mesh filter screen can't go in the dishwasher, and it's tough to scrub out all the little bits that get stuck in there. We needed several rounds of scrubbing and brushing to get it completely clean. The brand also recommends soaking in lemon juice and water periodically to help remove built-up residue. At number 3, we have the Omega Cold Press Juicer. The Omega Nutrition Center may have a larger countertop footprint than vertical juicers, but its unique design gives it an edge over the competition. This machine extracts the juice twice, once during the crushing process and then again from the pulp. It can easily tackle tougher fruits and vegetables to produce a delicious cup of pulp-free juice you'll want to drink right on the spot. As a masticating juicer, this machine operates at a slow 80 RPM, avoiding the flavor-destroying heat that rapidly spinning blades can generate. Its small feed chute means you have to cut ingredients into little pieces before juicing, but the performance makes that worth the extra effort. The Omega also does so much more than juice. Thanks to a range of attachments, it can also be used to make nut butter, grind coffee or spices, mince herbs, and extrude pasta. It even has a homogenizer attachment to make frozen desserts and baby food. While this isn't the quietest juicer on the market, it is a true multitasking appliance and a cinch to clean. At number 2, we have the Zulay Kitchen Premium Quality Metal Lemon Lime Squeezer. There are lots and lots of ways to extract citrus juice, but the manual squeezer is the best option to juice just a handful of fruits at once for cocktails or fresh lemonade. This Zulay model is compact and simple to use, clean, and stash away in your kitchen drawer, but it has a clever design with 2 interchangeable bowls for larger lemons and smaller limes. Made from coated aluminum, it's incredibly sturdy and dishwasher safe. The manual squeezer extracts more juice compared to using a reamer, and it catches most of the seeds. However, small seeds and bits of pulp can make it through, so for perfectly smooth juice you may need a handheld mesh strainer for double straining. While this juicer is mainly sold for juicing lemon and lime halves, it can handle pretty much any citrus. For larger oranges or grapefruits, you'll need to cut the fruits into quarters or even smaller pieces. And finally at number 1, we have the Hurom HA Slow Juicer. In contrast to the rapidly spinning blades and screens in a centrifugal juicer, a masticating juicer crushes ingredients more slowly, yielding as much liquid as possible while retaining as much nutritional content as possible. The nearly silent Hurom HA operates at just 43 RPM and can juice just about anything with amazing effectiveness, whether that's fruits and veggies or even soybeans or almonds for non-dairy milk. This machine also gives you pulp customization options, with the ability to make orange or other citrus juice with a bit of texture, too. It did a good job with veggies, but we would recommend chopping them into fairly small pieces for best results. The HAA's design means it's quite multifunctional, with the ability to make tofu, ice cream, and more in addition to milks and juices. We found it a bit complicated to put together, take apart, and clean, but it does have a safety lock system that keeps it from turning on unless everything is properly installed. It's a sturdy machine that can handle years of heavy use, though the price tag definitely reflects that level of quality.
Thanks you for watching guys, I hope you liked this video. If this video is helpful to you, please make sure like, comment and subscribe. If you have any question related to this product you can leave a comment down below. I will get back to you as soon as possible.